Use the clone stamp tool for this example just won't work, because actually the squares, as you can see, the squares right here is not actually the same as the next one. So in a situation like this, how can you actually replace this square to actually remove our subject right here? Alright, so I'll be walking you through how you can actually, technique that you can actually use to accomplish this. So if you're new to this channel, this is Skill Learn, where we help designers to master graphic design techniques and all the necessary tools they need. If this is something that you're interested in, don't hesitate to follow this channel, to subscribe, and give this video a like if it's helpful to you. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Go to Filter, make sure you rasterize the image. Go to Filter, Vanishing Point. You wanna just create 4 points around our image. And make sure when that is done, this grid right here should be showing blue. If it's showing yellow like this, it means it's actually not properly aligned. So you want to align it properly. When this is done blue, then it means your line is properly on the same plane. Alright, so next you want to hit on this stamp tool right here, click on it, sample a point by holding Alt and clicking on this point right here. And you just want to paint on this area. Similarly, sample another point, make sure to align it, and you paint on this other area right here. Do the same. If it's too big, you can reduce the size by pressing this arrow bracket right here on the keyboard to reduce, and you can press the other arrow bracket to increase the size of your brush. So I want to sample another point here, increase the brush size a little bit, and you just want to paint on this area. I will just fast forward this video. And when you're done, you just hit OK. So as you can see, we actually remove our subject, but something is missing. Some breaks are very long. So what you can do now, use the normal clone stamp tool. Just click on clone stamp tool here, resize your brush size, make sure soft round brush is selected, opacity 100, flow 100, sample a point here, and you just want to paint like that. Do the same, sample this one here, I want to do the same, sample this one right here. You just look for the areas where the break is a little bit longer, and you just want to divide it just like that. Alright, so that's it. That's pretty much it for this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one.